Hey guys, so today I have a few things going on in the garden. I have these beautiful hostas that I found at Lowe's, and I am going to be putting them both in a container. I think they're going to look just amazing. Look at the leaves. I am very excited about these ones. And also, I received this beautiful David Austin Rose in the mail. I had it in water for the last couple of hours, and I am getting ready to plant it in the ground. I also have rosewood from them that I ordered, and this is all thanks to my friend at Southern Entertaining. She did a giveaway about a month ago, and I entered, and I happened to be the winner. So I'm very excited. Thank you so much for that beautiful gift. And look at that. That looks so healthy. And look, even in some areas of the plant, I already have new growth coming. Isn't that amazing? I have the perfect spot for them. And while I was at Lowe's, I was keeping my distance, by the way, I also found these Midnight Masquerade Penstemons. And they're beautiful, and they're going to go perfectly with this rose. And this poor spirea, it's dead. It is all very dead. So I'm gonna have to remove it, and I have actually thought about this corner here, and I think I'm just gonna have a tall planter for holding annuals or maybe a couple perennials. I don't know yet, but I have the perfect thing for it. And basically what I want to do first is work the soil around the hole. It rained a couple of days ago, so the soil is very nice and workable. I just want to make sure there's nothing there where the roots can grow. And what I'm trying to do here, you guys, is I just want to get about this deep with the roots. I want to make that I don't plant them too deeply. And I choose the best side and I just put it in the ground, right where I think that it needs to be. And then I just work the soil around it. And I have some anemones and I think some geraniums around me, so that looks pretty good to me. And I'm just going to work some of the soil around it. I definitely need to grab mulch, but that's for another day. Perfect. So now I gotta go grab the other 2 plants that I'm going to have around these rows, and that will be the end of the video.